When disaster strikes in the Charlotte, Mint Hill, and Matthews areas, Executive Restoration is here to help. Whether it's tackling mold through our expert remediation and testing services, or providing top-notch water removal and flood damage cleanup, we've got you covered. Need quick and accurate mold or moisture inspections? Trust our skilled team to scan buildings thoroughly, ensuring peace of mind. With our fire and smoke removal expertise, we make your space feel safe and fresh again. Reach out anytime for more info, and let's get started on your restoration journey.